The overall goal of the following experiment is to measure the thermodynamics associated with membrane protein folding. This is achieved by first assembling small unilamellar vesicles to provide a folding environment for the membrane protein. Once constructed, vesicles are used to prepare samples containing protein in systematically varied concentrations of urea. Next, the tryptophan fluorescence spectrum of each sample is measured in order to gather data required to generate a membrane protein unfolding curve. Results are obtained that show how the Gibbs free energy of membrane protein unfolding can be obtained based on unfolding curves generated from tryptophan fluorescence spectra.
Hi, my name is Judy Kim. I'm an assistant professor at the University of California at San Diego. The method that you're about to watch reveals an important property of membrane proteins. Specifically, we will show you how to measure the stability of a protein that is folded and inserted into a lipid bilayer.
My name is Schlamadinger, and I'm a graduate student in the Department of Chemistry at UC San Diego. Today we will demonstrate this method on a representative membrane protein. However, this technique is general and may be applied to other biological systems, such as membrane-associated peptides and soluble proteins. So let's get started.
Prior to the start of this protocol, purchase a solution of 1,2-dimyristoyl SN-glycerol-3-phosphocholine, or DMPC lipid in chloroform and aliquot into clean glass vials at 20 mg per vial quantities. Add a layer of nitrogen gas to each vial to prevent lipid oxidation, and seal the vials. A single vial containing 20 mg of lipid in chloroform is used for each experiment. To prepare the stock vesicle solution, begin by drying the contents of the vial under a stream of nitrogen gas for 1 hour using a Teflon septum and needles.